Now we have prepared two receipt vouchers for the amount of 2,50,000 each. Against the introductory capital we received from two of our partners, right? Business partners, right? Okay. We have prepared what? Receipt voucher. So from this we are understanding that if there is a transaction, there should be a voucher. If there is a transaction, there should be a voucher. So without a voucher, we cannot record even a single financial transaction. So voucher is very important because it is a proof of transaction. Why I am telling you in detail about voucher? Because in case if you are attending an interview for the post of an accountant, maybe the financial manager, finance manager or chief accountant or CEO or anybody who is making interview with you, they may ask you a simple question, what is voucher? There, if you are thinking a lot to answer this simple question, you are not a professional. But at the same time, immediately you are responding as voucher is a proof of transaction. It's an evidence of transaction. Kalas. It's a proof of transaction or evidence of a financial transaction, that is voucher. Okay, simple. I hope you understand. So, voucher, what is voucher? A voucher is a document that serves or stands as an evidence or proof of transaction. In short, we can say a voucher is a written proof that money has been received, paid, or adjusted in a business. Money has been received. See what happened right now. We have received the introductory capital, right? We have made the receipt also. So that receipt is the written document of money what we received, right? That is why money has been received. So using this money, if we are purchasing something to sell, we have to pay. Of course, we have to pay and purchase, right? Then we are making payment voucher because their money paid, right? That is what is said now. See, money has been received, paid, or adjusted in a business. For we have to do somehow, we have to do some adjustment in our entries or something like that. That time we can use, that is a purpose. See, especially it is using for non-cash adjustment. There we can use journal voucher. Okay, there for non-cash adjustments we can make a journal voucher. Suppose when we are doing this bank reconciliation, ledger printout we are taking, bank statement also we will print it out and take it, we will reconcile, right? Then suppose our ledger, all the debit and the credit entries are matching with the bank statement also. But in the bank statement, in addition, there should be some charges. So that charges also we have to record in the bank ledger. In our bank ledger, we have to record, right? That charges. There we can use journal voucher. There we can use journal voucher. And another one, sometimes we are using contra voucher. Maybe in the system there should be contra voucher also. That is when we are using some ERP system, there should be some contra voucher also. That is, suppose when we are receiving this cash, we are pulling that cash into the cash ledger, right? Then when we are taking this cash and depositing into the bank, then the cash ledger should balance or it should be settled off. There we can use journal voucher or contra voucher. Understand? Contra JV we are passing. Understand? We will pass on contra JV. In detail that we will understand. Now what we learn is what is voucher and what are the kinds of voucher. So vouchers example what is. Now we have the knowledge of what is voucher. Voucher is the proof of transaction. Next, what are all the vouchers? That is receipt voucher. When we are receiving money, we are preparing or creating receipt voucher against that, right? Next, purchase voucher. Using that money, we are purchasing something, then there should be purchase voucher. Then that purchased items we are selling, then there should be sale voucher. That is a proof of sale, right? Sale voucher. Then if you are paying to the vendor or supplier against that purchase, we have to make one payment voucher. So what are our vouchers? Receipt voucher, purchase voucher, sales voucher, payment voucher, journal voucher. Journal voucher, if you are hearing about journal voucher is particularly used for making adjustment entries or non-cash adjustment when we are doing that time. Particularly we are using journal voucher. Understand? So from this class, what you learn is that what is voucher? Voucher is the proof of transaction. Understand? That's all.